Hey guys, welcome to this new video from Analytics Leap. Today we are going to discuss why is Python a language of choice among data scientists. While every language available today offers its own advantages to the data scientist, Python does stand apart from the rest due to the sheer expanse of its libraries and the functionality that they provide. The discussion on the choice of language can be a never-ending one. Nevertheless, I'll list down some points which according to me make Python a very suitable choice for data scientists. So here we go. Multipurpose. Python is a multi-purpose programming language. It can do a lot of things like object-oriented programming, scripting, functional programming, interface with C libraries, and so on. It is the Swiss Army knife of coding. Rapid prototyping. Python is easy to learn and the syntax can be grasped quickly. This is a huge advantage for someone who wants to quickly design a solution and who isn't really a software engineer. Great support. Python has a great developer support, a good community, and constant upgradation development. The libraries are well maintained and any error that you may have is addressed quickly. The Python libraries, NumPy and Matplotlib, have been heavily influenced by MATLAB style operations. This makes it easier for anyone having extensive experience with MATLAB to quickly shift and adapt to Python for doing the same tasks. Matplotlib and Seaborn libraries. You can design some cool visualizations using Python. There are a growing number of APIs which can make interesting visualizations in Python and give the R visualizations a run for their money. The Pandas library. The Pandas library is one of the most used data analysis weapon in the repository of a Python data scientist. The library provides an extremely efficient data structure in the form of data frame which can be used to load data from a variety of sources like text, Excel, JSON, CSV, and so on. The huge number of analytical operations that can be performed on a Pandas data frame make it a popular choice among the data scientists for data analysis. The scikit-learn library. The scikit-learn machine learning library of Python provides an easy interface and a simple syntax to implement a wide variety of machine learning algorithms. The library is well documented and makes the process of creating a model fairly straightforward. Free and open source. Python has always been free to download, use and distribute. You never have to pay a license fee to use Python. Web services and API. A data scientist might want to make available their models on the web using a REST API. Python provides an easy and efficient way to create web services using Flask. Ability to build production-ready systems. Python has been known for its stability and scalability. It is a good choice of language when you want to build a stable, secure, scalable, and maintainable system. All of these reasons and a whole lot of other external factors has helped Python gain a good reputation among the data scientists. With more and more data scientists joining the Python bandwagon, I think Python is poised to continue its spectacular growth in the coming years. Should you need any help, please feel free to reach out to us. You can also join us on Udemy, where we help learners who want to get started with Python for data science. Check out the links in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.